Pythagorean theorem word problems. You start driving north 32 miles, turn right, and then drive east for 24 miles. At the end of driving, what is your straight line distance from your starting point? So they're giving you both legs, and they want to know the straight line distance. So they're asking you for the hypotenuse or your diagonal. So you're going to be squaring the 32, adding it to 24 squared, and then you take the square root. So I'm going to do 32 squared plus 24 squared, and then take the square root, and that's going to give me exactly 40. So plug that in, and then I have my check mark. Moving on. I have a television that's advertised as 13-inch, and when they do give you the actual inches of your TV, they're giving you the diagonal length, which if I talked about the screen on my computer, that would be the hypotenuse length. And it says if the width is 12 inches, you've got, and it says how many inches tall is the TV. So I've got my hypotenuse 13 and a side that's 12. And I definitely want to square those and subtract. So my hypotenuse squared minus my leg squared, and that's 25. And we know that the square root of 25 is 5. So that would be how tall it is. Again, we've got another TV problem. It's giving you the diagonal length and the width, and it's asking you for how tall the TV is. So we would do 20 squared minus 16 squared, and then square root of 144 is 12. And now I've got a ladder. Make sure you remember when you place a ladder against something, you're not going to put it like straight up. You're going to have it like at an angle. So it's actually giving me my hypotenuse when it says a 26-foot ladder against the top of a 10-foot building. So that would be this distance right here. So I've got a ladder leaned up against the building, and it said how far from the building is the bottom of the ladder. So I'm looking for a leg. So I'm going to do 26 squared minus 10 squared, and then take the square root of 576, and you get 24. So it's 24 inches from the building, and I have 5 out of 5, and it should still give you the congratulations, you have completed this section. And then when you go back, you should have your fourth check.